Hi, I'm Shyam Kakumani. I'm the trainer for the Java Full Stack Engineer course. Little bit about me. I have 18 years of experience in the software industry. I started my career as support engineer with Wipro Technologies. Currently, I'm working as CTO with Pepe Infotech. I worked in India and America. I also built many software products from scratch. My core skills are Java full stack technologies. I possess additional skills on big data technologies, SAP business objects, and cloud technologies. I'm a passionate software trainer and trained over 2000 plus students in India and abroad. Let us understand about the Java full stack engineering course. Why should you choose Java full stack engineering? Java full stack is the most demanded skill in the IT industry. You can get the job easily after completion of the course. You can work as Java full stack engineer, front-end engineer, or back-end engineer. How will you learn the course? I will help you to learn required skills by providing theoretical and practical knowledge. What all are the skills you will learn? You will learn all the required tools, technologies, and frameworks to become a Java full stack engineer. Here are the tools, technologies, and frameworks covered as part of the Java full stack course. First, understand the front-end technologies. I will cover the HTML5, CSS3, JavaScript framework, ES6, which is ECMAScript 6, React.Js. With this, front-end technologies will be covered. As part of back-end technologies, I'll cover core Java, PostgreSQL database server, dbeaver database client, Hibernate framework, Spring framework. In this one, you will learn Spring IOC, Spring MVC, Spring JDBC, Spring JPA, and Spring Boot. Additional tools covered to become Java full stack expert are Eclipse IDE, Maven build tool, Postman API tool, Visual Studio Code IDE, and Git. You will possess the following skills after completion of the program. Culture. You will understand the software work environment and its culture. Competence. You will gain technical skills required to fulfill your job. Collaboration. How you work as a team member in a software development team. Communication. You will know how to effectively communicate about your work with the team. Also, you will learn communication mechanisms used in the IT industry. Apart from these skills, will help you with mock interviews, resume preparation, and placement assistance. Thank you. If you would like to know more about me, please check my LinkedIn profile. Also, you can go through my website called www.shyamkakumani.com. Thank you.